Welcome to Brothers Drift, the crustiest automotive channel in all of YouTube, and we have an exciting episode for you today. Not really. We have Crustine, the Mustang, with the 10 horsepower Hoonigan sticker. Well, Crustine has been lowered and needs a different jack. So I got a deal today that I want to pass along to you for a jack that I think is going to be pretty awesome. Maybe show you some specs, do a little unboxing. Tell me what you think. But I got a really great deal, 20% off from AutoZone, so check it out. Okay, so we have 70 pounds of glory right here in Duralast 3-ton dual piston quick lift low profile jack. Now, one of the things to look for in the low profile is the spec 3 3/4, you can see here. A normal one is over 5 inches tall, so you can get it under low areas. And then what's nice about this one is it'll go to a little over 18 inches there. So let's unbox this and see what we can find out. Also, the dual piston design allows it to give you a faster jack, which is ideal because there's nothing, well, there's probably something more annoying, but it's really annoying when it takes forever to jack up your car. So let's see what this thing looks like. And I got this for 200 bucks from AutoZone. So for 200 bucks, you can get this jack that's good for all of your vehicles, including SUVs. And it's low profile, nice handle. Oh yeah, look how big that is. So when you go to AutoZone, ask them if they have any coupons, that you have a coupon. A lot of times when you go online, you can find their coupons. But I just said to the guy, hey, I've got a coupon out in the car, hang on a second. He was like, hey, I'll just give you 20% off. And I was like, well, that's a deal. Look at that. So let's do a comparison between this and a crappy jack that most of you already have at home. This is a normal crappy jack. Couple of things that are a problem with this. This jack activates with a screwdriver. See that? Really, really crappy. This is what a lot of guys just have sitting in their garage. You know, you stick the handle in here like this. Really janky. And look, this handle's much better. These casters. And the wide wheels actually slide better than these. There we go. There was probably an easier way to do that. And then let's see. Okay. See how fast it jacks. That's pretty quick. Now let's compare it to the cheap jack. Let me use the handle. You still there? My goodness. Still going. There we go. So as you can see, this one, the big one, loads twice as fast. And let's see how high it goes. There you go. With, of course, an automatic bypass for when you hit the maximum level. And let's see if we can lower the phone here and get a comparison in height. 7.5 inch difference in height. So for 200 bucks, you get a really serious low profile jack for your lowered cars. It's gonna also jack it up in half the time and 7 inches higher in height. A good jack is worth every single penny. So there you go. Thanks for watching.